Hello everyone, welcome to English Elegance. Today we will talk about how to improve your writing skills. So let's get started. So first of all, the very first step is close reading. So closely reading is a great tool for writers to learn from different writers. So what you can do, you can just pick up any book, whichever you like of your favorite author or anyone, just go and go read line after line. And then what you have to do, you have to focus on each and every word that is being used over there. So you have to basically focus on how the author or the writer is describing the things, maybe how the writer is describing the conflict, how the writer is using different characters with different voices with different notions. You can focus on how the character is describing, like how the author is describing the characters and how he is focusing on the emotions which are being used in that passage. So just pick up a short passage from that book and start reading line after line. So this is a very effective way so that you read closely and you develop the habit of writing, because you can just pick up your domain, whichever specific part you are not able to write down, maybe you get an idea from other writers. So this is a quite good technique of close reading. Just do a close reading of a single passage day after day, and this will bring an improvement in your writing skills and you will get a better idea of writing as well. Now moving to the second one. Second is write. This may sound like glitch to you, but the best way to improve your writing skill is write actually. So you have to write down each and every single day. So what happens, we don't have the fact is that we don't have the in our mind at what to start, where to start and how to start. So simple thing you have to do is that just pick up any random things, any random topic, you can just write down. You can write about your life goals, you can write about your favorite food, you can write about maybe about a place you want to visit in future, or it can be anything. You just have to write and write, and after a certain period of time you will just find a improvement pretty quickly in your writing skills that will get you enhanced more and more in your writing, and that will also boost your confidence in writing any of the content whichever you are going to write or you are willing to write. Now moving to the third one. The third is get feedback. So getting feedback is a valuable tool which you can use. So what you have to do, you just have to find someone whomsoever you trust. It can be your friend, it can be your family member. So just write down your things, note it down, your passage, your paragraph, your anything you are writing, any content. So just call them out and ask them to read your work like precisely, so that they read the words whichever you have written, the sentences, and just get the feedback from them. Because if the other person is giving you the feedback regarding your content whatever you have written, that will be more reliable and effective, beneficial for you. So they will be giving you the feedback. Okay, so you can just improve over certain areas and you can do the improvement in your writing skills. So these were the few just pointers with which you can practice and improve your writing skills. So basically you have to focus on reading closely the passage of the book whichever you are just willing to read, of your favorite author, writer, any content. It can be in the form of any magazine also. So just focus on writing closely, reading and getting the feedback. And by the time, keep learning with English Elegance.